lower motor neuron paralysis. Sabi ng author, I come from a country where poliomyelitis was common and have treated many children during an epidemic of polio. I have also treated all polio victims. Nowadays, it is more common to see lower motor neuron paralysis caused by spinal injuries, disc prolapse, Friedreich's ataxia, tumors, etc. The lower motor neuron is an integral part of the spinal reflex arc and is the final common pathway for all motor impulses, involuntary or voluntary, directed to a muscles. A muscle seems to depend on its contact with the spinal cord through the lower motor neuron for its nutrition. If this contact is affected, the muscle atrophies. Symptoms: weakness and flaccid paralysis, muscle atrophy, absence or weak reflexes, coldness, dryness, and cyanosis, sensory disturbance, less sensitivity. The treatment similar to the treatment of peripheral nerve paralysis, local and proximal points, prolonged stimulation and electrical stimulation with intermittent frequency. Sa proximal points, EX21, the Watodiaji Bakshu points at height of lesion. Acupuncture points in larger muscles, for example, sa arms, LI14, LI11, triple warmer 14, 13, 5, and GB21. Sa legs, stomach 31, stomach 32, stomach 36, UB37, UB57, GB34, and GB31. GB39 and GB34 as influential points. Acupuncture with vitamin B12, cobalamin, and 2 points per treatment. Treatment should be given 2 to 3 times per week alongside physiotherapy. There should be progress each week. Massage and passive exercises are also recommended.